Biane from the Chubby channel, and I'm here to help you take good care of your eyes and your vision. So if you're new here to our channel and you want to learn more about your eyes, you want some beauty tips, or you just want to have some fun with us, then please do click the subscribe button down below. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to stop your glasses from fogging up while wearing a mask. Wearing a mask is a must nowadays because it helps you protect yourself and other people as well. So either you're wearing your KN95 mask or your surgical mask, your glasses fogs up. So I'm going to share with you 4 tips so that your glasses won't fog up anymore. Tip number 1. Adjust the mask to fit your face. Make sure your mask fit perfectly on your face. Try creasing the upper part of your mask to ensure it fits perfectly over the bridge of your nose. If the mask is loose, try looping the elastic to make a figure 8. Tip number 2. Create a barrier. Fold a piece of tissue paper and put that under the nose bridge of your face mask or surgical mask. This will help slow down hot air from rising up to your glasses para hindi mag-fog yung glasses mo. Tip number 3. Use a surgical tape along the top of your face mask or N95 mask to create a seal so that the hot air of your breath goes out of the sides or the front of the mask, so hindi siya pupunta dun sa mask mo. Sometimes the glasses fogs up a little but only a small amount. So if you don't have the surgical mask, you could use your handy band-aid. Don't use a masking tape. Because if you use your masking tape or your double-sided tape, it would give some allergies to your face. May iba very sensitive yung face, so don't use that. Tip number 4. Put the toothpaste on top of your glasses. It would act as an anti-fog layer to your glasses.